Anybody bill already, man. That's on ya? God.
I feel like the shit like the cool later. I feel just chopping on the moon shit. We can confuse, I feel have the shoes here. The two.
Person on the brain. Say, oh, shaneO could have even dip on the show if Beenie no like youth. I Beenie no want youth. Strive if Beenie never want shaneO up on the show. How upon earth Beenie shaneO could have go up on the show?
Jamaica, they are 1-0 already, you know. Jamaica win, when I drive out in another Lambo, yeah? I drive out in another yellow Lambo. Show the Lambo.
You nation wagwan, it's boy Adrian back in the building with another episode, and today we got a lot of things to talk about. We got Popcorn celebrating Jamaica win, Trinidad 3-2 driving out the yellow Lambo for the win. Hype come out to clear the air for shaneO, why shaneO didn't perform at Beenie Man concert. So we're gonna talk about Masicka vibing to one of Skilibeng unreleased track. We're gonna talk about that. A lot of Jamaicans are celebrate Jamaica win 3-2 versus Trinidad and Tobago in the Unity Cup semi-final. So we can see where Popcorn takes to his Instagram stating that if Jamaica win the match, he's driving the yellow Lambo go back home.
Jamaica, they are 1-0 already, you know. Jamaica win, when I drive out in another Lambo, yeah? I drive out in another yellow Lambo.
Show the Lambo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Alright. What? Win for the Williams. Williams over civilians. Goal, go for score, yeah? Goal. 3 of me. Goal, mister. Goal, watch out.
The playback, terrible.
Brother, we play football better than this. We can't play that murderer. Why the bum buck like this, my youth? Brother, watch ya. It's good, dog. Hey, you're not trouble, you know, are you? Number 20, you're not trouble, you have to give it to a goal in a brother. Oh, yo, congrats to my fan them. You know the damn thing go. Bad in a brother. Yeah, man, it's a lifestyle moment. Take care of it. Yeah, man, he go away and figure, I see. Yeah, youth.
I say you drive the yellow Lambo, you know.
No, come here tell you, so we have to exchange Lambo. See, bad, yeah? Because Jamaica win, Jamaica will forward have support, you know. Big up my Trini fans, them love them like life.
Yes.
You know me and Trini have real ties. But this is Jamaica move. Papa's God.
Yeah, nice style.
It's a pretty massive in the building. Yeah, man, big up. Why you are? Somebody say why you are?
So nation, a lot of people take to Popcorn comment box and ask which one of Lambo am I go buy and ship go to Jamaica, because Popcorn say if Jamaica win a match, one of them Lambo them a ship go a yard. So a lot of people take the comment box and I see a bag of things. You know, tell me what you think in the comment box. Also, we can see where Masicka listened to a fresh release track by Skilibeng. Skilibeng released that track last month. So we can see where Masicka take it to his Instagram and a big up Skilibeng said we love a unity where we are seeing a dance hall, and you can see how Masicka like with a clear intention. It's a good look to dance hall.
no one sipping up a new gears. We feed them no one that in our suitcase. I feel like the ship like you're the cool later. I feel just chopping on the new shit. You think who's loose up here, the shoes here, who is it? Is it too quick? Look here, we can move here. We no cool here, shut up, people cool here, cool here, people move some funny news here. Cool here. I want to take it off.
Bro, I love music in the 7 years time. I was about the script last night. Now I call my brother, I said, Justin. Oh, you never met me that one day.
Yeah, Justin give me the new thing in my god on the street today. Yeah, I was there. What's the man?
The accent feel like the sugar in a Kool-Aid. Skilibeng, big up yourself. I want this nation we can see where Foota Hype take to his Instagram defending shaneO and Beenie Man. The reason why, because a lot of people did wonder what happened to shaneO at Beenie Man concert at the UBS Stadium. You see me the other day. But a lot of people they concerned for shaneO because shaneO didn't get to perform. But Foota Hype takes to his Instagram to clear the air and that. Let's take a listen.
Person on the brain. Say, oh, shaneO could have even dip on this show if Beenie like youth. I Beenie no want youth strive if Beenie never want shaneO up on the show. How on earth Beenie shaneO could have go up on the show? Wanna please tell me that. Cause me see everything I go on in the media and me not pick up for Beenie Man. If Beenie Man do fuckery, mother say Beenie Man do fuckery. The time was crazy and it seemed like shaneO was a little bit late. So once you're late, even Louis Culture, when he perform, them have to cut him, set him not get to sing some of my big song them. Them have to cut him. So when we hear them people we don't know nothing where are going, it's not like them venue are not like Jamaica, where when you reach late and promoter beg police to give you an next hour or an next 20 and a certain work, do you tell me where the stage manager work? Say if the show go 1 second over 11 o'clock, there's a $20,000 fine additional where you have to pay.
On the nation, and tell me what you think in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You see me, I say me happy for people that may have view, and me happy for people that like up a like button and I watch the video all the way to the end. Me give thanks for you. Just listen to that track at the Banger Hat by Kiva Kassan. Go check him out on YouTube. A real artist, a bad artist, a long time them youth here do it.
Listen, fully yourself.
I don't have a phone. I don't have one. I'm telling you. You gotta get in touch with me, call Shady.
You know, see tape, hang a hat. Hot leads, fast bananas. We jaggy Benz and up Cadillac. I'm a trippy night, though, me that trippy night phone. And I see say how bad as that. Yeah, she bring me one bad girl. Yeah, she give me knife in my black coat. Yeah, she dolly nice in a trap.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we watch. Big up everybody we share. It is me I say. I appreciate you all on. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.